Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. We are kicking off 2026 with a bang in the kingdom. The Tadawul is on fire, and the Vision 2030 projects are starting to pay off in a big way. January wasn't just about oil. It was about mining, real estate, and massive international partnerships. We saw billion-dollar land deals in Makkah, new blue ammonia factories, and a certain US president putting his name on a project in Riyadh. In this video, we are counting down the top 10 best-performing stocks on the Saudi exchange for January 2026. These are the companies leading the kingdom's economy. Yalla, let's see who made the list. Starting us off at number 10 is the health insurance leader, Bupa Arabia, up 12%. Bupa started the year with a massive win. On December 30th, just before the new year, they secured a contract renewal with the Saudi National Bank, SNB, worth over SR 330 million to provide health insurance for the bank's employees. Securing the kingdom's biggest bank as a client is a huge vote of confidence. Investors rallied behind the stock, knowing that this deal secures steady cash flow for the year ahead. At number 9 is the logistics champion SABIC, climbing 13%. Logistics is the backbone of Vision 2030, and SABIC is the spine. On January 12th, new industry reports projected the Saudi logistics market to reach nearly $83 billion. SABIC is capturing a huge chunk of this growth through its digital transformation. With new special economic zones coming online in 2026, investors are betting that SABIC will be the primary mover of goods in and out of the kingdom. Number 8 is the insurance giant Tawuniya, also up 13%. Tawuniya is evolving. The excitement this month stems from their aggressive move into the reinsurance market with their new subsidiary, Riyadh Re. After receiving approval late last year, January saw the market realizing the potential of this new revenue stream. Instead of just selling insurance, they are now insuring the insurers. It's a high-margin game, and the market loves the strategy. At number 7 is Makkah Construction, up 13%. This company made a massive move to secure its future. On December 30th, they won a public auction to purchase a prime land plot in the Riyadh district, just 500 meters from the Grand Mosque, for SAR 980 million. In the world of religious tourism, location is everything, and you can't get better than this. Investors see this as a game changer for their future hotel and retail portfolio. Checking in at number 6 is Taiba Investments, up 13%. Taiba is riding the hospitality boom in Medina. With new properties like the Novotel Medina and renovations at their Sheraton locations coming online, the company is perfectly positioned for the 2026 Umrah season. The stock rallied as analysts upgraded their occupancy forecasts, betting that the government's target of 30 million visitors is well within reach. Breaking into the top 5 is the kingdom's largest lender, SNB, up 14%. SNB has been flexing its financial muscle. On January 21st, reports confirmed that Saudi banks, led by SNB, are tapping into international debt markets at a record pace to fund mega projects. While headlines about downsizing NEOM circulated, the market focused on the fact that SNB is the primary engine financing the country's growth. When the kingdom borrows to build, SNB makes money. At number 4 is SABIC Agri-Nutrients, up 14%. On January 21st, the company cemented its status as a green energy leader. They moved forward with the massive blue ammonia project in Jubail industrial city, which will have a capacity of 1.2 million metric tons. This isn't just fertilizer, it's clean fuel for the future. With the world hungry for low-carbon energy, investors see SABIC Agri transforming into a global energy player. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the exchange itself, Saudi Tadawul Group, up 15%. Why is the stock market company doing well? Because everyone wants to list on it. On January 15th, reports highlighted a sizable IPO pipeline for 2026, driven by the Public Investment Fund, PIF. More IPOs mean more trading fees and more data sales. Investors bought the stock as a proxy for the entire Saudi economic boom. Our runner-up at number 2 is Dar Al Arkan, surging 18%. The brand power here is undeniable. On January 11th, Dar Al Arkan officially unveiled the Trump International project in Riyadh's Wadi Safar. This includes a luxury hotel, villas, and a championship golf course. Regardless of politics, the Trump brand commands premium real estate prices globally. The partnership with the Trump Organization sent a signal that Dar Al Arkan is playing in the big leagues of luxury development. And finally, the number one stock on the Saudi exchange for January 2026 is Ma'aden, exploding up 30%. The mining giant dropped 2 bombshells this month. First, on January 12th, they announced the discovery of 7.8 million ounces of new gold resources. But they didn't stop there. On January 21st, Ma'aden outlined a bold plan to invest $110 billion over the next decade to triple its phosphate business and double aluminum production. They are aggressively becoming the third pillar of the Saudi economy, and the market rewarded that ambition with the top spot. So there you have it, $110 billion mining plans, Trump towers, and billion rial land deals. The Saudi market in January 2026 was defined by massive ambition. Did you catch the rally in Ma'aden? Or are you banking on the dividends from Bupa? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for your monthly market updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.